So I'm Dr. Samantha Toerge. I'm a dermatologist and a partner with KEGO. I always knew I wanted to become a physician, but I never knew the exact specialty. I love dermatology because of the visual aspect of it. It also involves a lot of different aspects of things you can do. The medical side, where you have a lot of thinking, the surgical side, and then the cosmetic. I've been in practice about 7 years. I was in Northern Virginia, and now I've been in Chevy Chase about 2 years. So I typically see patients of all ages, 0 to over 100. So I think essential things to know about our practice is that I really care about my patients. I am always striving to learn the latest and greatest treatments for their conditions. And we want you to feel comfortable when you're in our office. So those are the things I think are the most important part about what we do on a day-to-day basis. A couple people that stand out are young mothers that I've diagnosed with melanoma, and just knowing that, we've treated their condition and seeing them at 5-year interval after 5 years of being cancer-free has been a big thing for me. The other patients that really stick out in my mind are acne patients that you follow from having acne, treating them, and then being able to get rid of their scars, and you just see their confidence building, and it's hugely gratifying. The biggest piece of advice I would give to people as a dermatologist are, one, prevention. Make sure you're getting your sunscreen on, reapplying it every 2 hours when you're out in the sun. I find that that's the biggest piece of the puzzle that people are missing. Second is screenings. Make sure you're coming to the dermatologist once a year if you have a lot of sun damage, because you never know when things will arise. So I've had many patients with hidden melanomas that we find on these screenings, and it really does save your life. So a little bit about myself. I grew up in Maryland, so I'm pretty local from the area. I have 2 kids, a 7 and a 4-year-old, and a husband, and I enjoy hanging out with them in my spare time. I do yoga, which I find is very calming. I also play tennis a lot, and I'm trying to take up golf.